Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to draw a mixer truck. Let's start drawing. Black pick marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Sky blue color. Then I use yellow. I use pink for the use rainbow colors. Wow, it's looking great. I use purple. Use red color in heart. Cream color. Use blue. Guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Light green. Green. Orange.
Guide and scooter. First, let's draw the delivery guide.
Sky blue for his window. Red for his wheels.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like the video. Now let's draw the scooter.
And the other wheel also. Sky blue.
color.
Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.